Autonomous Lawn Mowers Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global autonomous lawn mowers market size will be $7,251.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 11.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America autonomous lawn mowers market size of $2,900.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe autonomous lawn mowers market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size. Asia Pacific autonomous lawn mowers market size of $1,667.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 13.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America autonomous lawn mowers market size of $362.56 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa autonomous lawn mowers market size of $145.02 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.